In this video, I will show you 5 of my live accounts, all funded with an initial capital amount of $1,000 and all trading different expert advisors. So together, let's see which robot is most suitable for a $1,000 live account. I'll go to the EA Trading Academy homepage and I'll click on live trading results, where you can see all of my trading accounts on different brokers and trading with different robots. The first one I will start with is the Happy Brexit, and that's a new account, and it's quite interesting because the expert advisor is not so active. It trades on the H4 time frame. I'll show it to you on my MetaTrader and you will see that the Happy Brexit has opened just one short trade, and that trade was opened on the 8th of March, right at this point at 4 p.m. and today is the 10th of April, which means that the trade was open for a whole month. And it's quite interesting for me to see the outcome of the trade. You can see that the take profit is lower at 0.8477, but before placing this expert advisor on a live account, I obviously tested it on a demo account, and if I show you the track record, you will see that this demo account started on the 1st of February and there were a few profitable trades. Actually, there was no losing trades. That's why I said it's quite interesting for me. If I go to the stats and I show you the strategy, you will see that in total there were 7 trades. The gross profit is $315. There is a loss of -691. Okay, there was one losing trade, my bad. And you can see that the net profit is $308. So if I go to overview and I click on orders, you will see that I have the very same open trade that opened at 4 p.m. on the 8th of March. And if I show you the closed orders, you can see all of them in here. So yeah, actually all of them are on profit. Just the very first one, when we started testing the robot with 0.01, ended up with a small loss, and then we increased it to 0.10 for the rest of the testing period, and there were no losing trades from that moment. So I will leave the link down below in the description to my live account, and whenever you're watching the video, you'll be able to see how it is performing, and same for all of the expert advisors that I will show you now. The next live account with an initial capital amount of $1,000 is the Happy Forex EA that I have with Eightcap, and if I show you the track record, you will see that it gained 8% in my live account already, and this live account started on the 18th of March, and since then I think there were only profitable trades. So if I show you the closed orders, you'll see that okay, there was one loss again with -29 cents. All of the rest are on profit, and currently there are open trades, so we'll see how these will close. You can see that the Happy Forex trades Aussie at Euro Swiss at bigger exposure we can see on the Aussie, and recently I showed the vendor's track record, which is close to unbelievable for me. I'm just skeptical whenever there is such an equity growth, so this is why again I'll put the link down below in the description for this live account of mine, and you can check how it's performing whenever you are watching the video. And I want to show you why I have it on $1,000 account is because it adds to the position. So here we have a long trade, another long trade, third, fourth, fifth one, and they all closed in here. When the expert advisor hits the right direction, there will be just one trade, but when the market goes in the opposite direction, you can see that it adds to the position. So right now I'm having this short trade, a second one, a third one, and that's for Aussie dollar, right? We have these 3 short trades with Aussie, So the expert advisor might add to the positions, or if the market goes on profit, it will take the profit at the same time for the 3 open trades. And when trading with such an expert advisor, you really need a bit more capital at a trusted broker like Eightcap, where they have very good trading conditions. You can see that for euro-dollar, the spread starts from 0 pips. For gold, it starts from 12 cents. And with Bitcoin, we have a spread of $12, which is really small spread for Bitcoin, keeping in mind where the price is currently sitting. I already have a few accounts with Eightcap, $1,000 live account in here, another $1,000 in here, and a $3,000 with the Waka Waka. So I have funded about $5,000 with Eightcap, and so far I didn't have issues. They are very well established broker with plenty of regulations around the world, but please don't take any of the amounts I show in my videos as a piece of financial advice or recommendation. I always suggest that the traders and subscribers start with a demo account first. I'll leave the link to Eightcap down below in the description so you can check out the broker with a demo or a live account. It's your decision. The next one is a $1,000 live account with Eightcap trading the Gold Scalper Pro, which is currently on a loss. If I show you the track record, you will see that the account initially went on a profit, but then a few consecutive losses caused this huge loss. But to be honest, in this account I took a bit higher risk, so I was trading 0.01 lot for every $100 in the account, which makes it 0.10 for a $1,000 live account. And with all of the rest, I aim at 1% risk, which is obviously 10 times higher. And if I show you one of the vendors accounts that started in August 2023, you will see that it is also losing recently, but this is normal for gold scalping robots. Whenever you start trading a gold scalping robot, you need to accept the fact that there will be losing periods. And you can see that prior to the recent losses, there was another drop with the gold scalper, but it recovered. So let's see how it will go from this moment. The fourth expert advisor I want to show you on a $1,000 live account is the evening scalper that I am trading for quite a long time. If I show you the track record, you will see that I've been trading it since the 15th of October, and initially I started trading it on a $200 live account, but then I funded it to a $1,000 account, and you can see that it was on a profit for some time, but recently it is just sideways, up and down. If I show you the stats, you will see that overall there are 46 trades and the net profit is on a loss. If I show you the vendors account from Valerie Trading, you will see that the evening scalper achieved above 130% starting from the 21st of December 2021. There were a few losing periods, then a steady growth, and recently there were losses, but you can see that in the very recent month the account is actually growing while mine is losing a bit. So probably I have missed an update or she has changed some of the settings, so that's in my to-do list for the rest of the week. And that's something you have to bear in mind when trading with expert advisors from different vendors. You need to keep an eye on any updates, any changes in the expert advisors, and the best thing is to compare the vendor's track record and the performance in your live account. So if there is a difference, probably you have missed something, just as I did. And the last expert advisor that I have on a $1,000 live account is the Forex Gold Investor that achieved nearly 15% in the last 1 month alone, but not really. If you have seen my last video, you already know that the Gold Investor made huge losses last Friday on the 12th of April. It kept buying the gold and the price was dropping and dropping, so many stop losses were hit and many losing trades trades occurred, and the overall result was huge losses in the accounts. And I immediately requested a daily drawdown protection, and 1 week later we already have the relevant protections, and with my team we are now backtesting the expert advisor to see what percentage as a daily drawdown would work best. So far we are testing it between 1% and 10% drawdown, but don't take that as a recommendation. It's too early to say. Once I have some good results, I will start trading it again on my live accounts, and I hope I'll be able to recover. And if I show the current ranking on my live accounts, you will see that on the top with 11.4% we have the Forex Diamonds, but that's on a small $200 account. The best performer for $1,000 account is the Happy Forex EA that made about 5.5% in the last 30 days. Then we have an account with the new top 10 app, but that's on a smaller account. The second spot for $1,000 live account is with Happy Brexit. Then we have the Evening Scalper. Forex Gold Investor now is on the 4th place, and Gold Scalper Pro is on the last spot. But as you can see, it's very dynamic. 1 week ago it was the Forex Gold Investor on the top, and now we have the Happy Forex EA as the top performer in the $1,000 account. And this will be probably my studio and my office in the next week or so, because when you start getting comments that your eyes look tired, it's really time to take a break. So I'll probably record the next few videos from a hotel room. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos until the end. Before you go, check out this video on my side, and you will learn more about another expert advisor that is suitable for live trading. As always, don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.